Hello and welcome back to part 2 of this painting tutorial. Now let's get started to paint the body of our beautiful model. We're beginning just like I did in the first video. If you missed it, I suggest checking that out first for a better understanding, because I won't be going into as much details in this video. First, I mix a shadow tone with the base color, using red, blue, and yellow. After that, I dab the color generously in every recesses and blend it with the rest of the skin. Don't forget to wipe the brush after every blending. I'm gonna make my way around the entire model, adding shadows like this. And hey, if you make a mistake and need to remove some color, grab a Q-tip and some white spirit, wipe it off, and start over on that part. Time to begin with the highlights. It's a good idea to protect the model by applying some spray varnish before moving on, to prevent destroying the darker sections. I'm following the same technique as shown in the initial video. Start with the main color, and mix in some yellow, white, and a small hint of red, until it becomes slightly lighter than what you initially thought you wanted. From there, it's simply a matter of following the same procedure as for the shadows. But this time, dab the color onto any raised areas, where the light might hit, and then blend it out. Once the highlight is complete, it's time to introduce some red into the mix to make the skin pop. I'm adjusting the base color to have a more red hue and applying it between the shadows and highlight. This will help me blend everything smoothly. If you're looking for more highlights and shadows, simply go back and add some more until you're satisfied with the outcome. I decided to add a touch more brown to the shadows to make it match better with the face. Oh, and remember to create some speckles and imperfections using the flicking technique I demonstrated in the Part 1 video for even more realism. So there you go. Now it's time to seal the model for the last time with matte spray varnish and paint the rest of the clothes and accessories. Thank you for watching. I would really appreciate if you could boop that like button and subscribe to help me out. If you don't want to, well, thanks anyway. If you have any suggestion, complaints or questions, just comment below, and I'll get back to you.